Greetings. Male. Finally, Jalunchang. Jatoka Shoni. Tanyuran Tamaka One Boy Studio. It has been a long journey. Very busy month. Kwetong naga pai baro, pai badak, pai bangwan. Jan long dan tamake jan pai well many. I'll admit, I think this is one of the biggest tour I have ever done since 2012. In 2012, Chawaka 10 states. In 2010, 2011, Menanka 10 states, 2010 and 2011 referendum. Then me bongo banyoga nanka 10 states, a Viva Cell. So this is the longest tour I have ever done. And even when I was doing those tours, Chang me tare jalite kon ke 2010. Me waka 10 state karanganang pasrao ke pas diok, because 1 week you do 4 states, then another week you do 4, and then visual delero okay weekend again, then we doing juba just 3 weeks per maximum. So this is the longest tour michatetin, as well as GPS Nakelbo. This has been the longest tour they have ever been on. Agent tour in Chipara Longaka, Michiganel, Yaganang, plus DR. I think Yaganang resources bottom one, you don't want within. So go Jalna, Katanaka Nin, Winnie, and then Kabatu Lel, the activities don't want the Lelke, one Chinacho. Me take me dey go to know the right jode immediately before I can know the topic done. There are tied alluring share one cardis, one family. Shang loro go along cardis ababa. Charao. Charao ke bulcheng nuara ke kondit ki dorgoalen. Baba nial kwe chikon raudore chikon meet chajeke wang boys on that very day chang mogwalong ke tulu dimtu. It was a very powerful day, and that very evening one aka show. So it was really good. You know, one aka show the next day, but I show but no one is I can never forget. It is one of the most powerful lesson and most touching historic events which it talk in this voice tour. The other thing Michanda Paripo, it's the event in Addis, show Addis. It was really powerful because Chine Laragoni in 8,300 people. Kasho Chayo Kachaga Queen Nialalong, I going 2,000 per. So kuna money complained, oh, it's too dirty, until we had to reduce the price. It's too dirty. But still, show you along and show this. So on this tour, the Wang boys, call all the boys, the Wang boys, it was really powerful. One of the most memorable things, Michi Tuabaka this Kelro Diong Wan. Mandit gone. Money. It was really a memorable greeting. Charlie to one get TikTok. It is so wonderful. Kagadmar. The security. One boys, you protected the show. I show Yari Alika long this. It's what I mean when I said Wang Dun Kone team it. It's a very, very powerful team. So a big thank you, big shout out to Wang Boys in Addis. I really appreciate you, my brothers. And I'll never forget. This return was super different. Kan me jian boka music gwa bar me bichat kene ke me chat ke janta chi jian ka me run te pai wati. It is the very first time and obedian ke music for that long. Me shikur to organize 2013 chat jian boka music, but it was only few months, I think 6-7 months, then me chat chopul buin, and then chiro nyamar cha barar, and the roar nyamar so music de chwenyo ke genial. Try to work Kenya. Order Kenya, then Chuchula, good music, what a new with a bingo, Barla Nyoka J, Taja Guayan, Pantin Chite, Baka Gualcuro, Baka Gad Kunti, and then just you continue for a very long time. And then I want to Katori, balloon job, Boga tours, balloon job. Musically, Mubaka, Nairobi. It was really wonderful in Nairobi. Chawadolonya, we ate and then we made challenges. Today TikTok challenge to promote the tour, Karunda. It was really a special thing, Nairobi. Chawador dakyo jigwale, Nyakuma. Chawador Kwamacha, a comrade, Michilo Liu, Liu, I think Taka Africa Liu, 2016, Chajigualo Gwil, Chajakadamar. I met with a lot of people, Nairobi. This tour was spiritual. It was really, it was blessed. Kampala, I think she have video the Shannon. I uploaded it. Let me switch off something. Take a studio there, one. Take a machine to roll, take a studio. So I had to switch off all the machines. So Kampala, she have video the Shannon, and then Nairobi is going to come, and then we can work Kakuma, then Bejula show Addis. So talk the joke, Benakula Lunyam, Nidanta talk now. Taka Kampala and the Bachila called one in the Guada Nanajan through the Kolojo joke. Kane Toga Kampala. So now we start Kampala, that video that are quick internet. Then YouTube, you can see the excitement, how people connect with me. It's truly magical, you know, to connect with your people again. Kayan Chiamari, without a doubt, Telerede Dio. Ja Didre Dun, Ja Dabre Dun, Japidre Dun, Jan Kamnial. It's just, you know, I'm a dreamer. It's just a dream that came when I was young, and you empowered it. She long to empower. She moika bon. She moika long medi. So musically, I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited, and personally, I'm truly grateful. I'm very grateful. Culturally, I am resuscitated. Changaloi take Changal Wajok Chalun Taker with our culture. One of the most surprising things during this tour, I was just dropping songs. Chena jote di camera la camera di rather than your YouTube. Chena jote di I just dropped, and then Bible was shared. When I shared, the people, hey, get a new song, and then people go, they check it out, and then you watch it. It's just so inspiring, you know, how I release songs like Kamadira, and then still Kuyen view, like you're very committed. It is so powerful. It is so wonderful. Something I can't explain, you know. I'm speechless with the love that Shanyonga, Kienogan Shanyonga Yanchiamare. So to fellow artists, Chandong Midi Chanen, from Ethiopia to Nairobi, DJs, from Ethiopia to Kakuma. I met with one of the longest Wang Boys DJ Ujulu Dem. I met him in Kakuma. It was so transforming, you know, like linking Jegne Nyong and then talking about the past, the tours we went through, Eldoret, Kitale, Kakuma, the ups and downs. This story is just so wonderful. It is so good. It is so good. I love it. I'm just so happy I came back. The music the industry has grown. Industry chagwa, like Chaurul Boon, Konwakubu, Ranso Arada, and Super C, Bulobobetamu, Chwaldia, like in the new Jude, Bawan Pin. Hey, I love the boys, GMP, everybody. Mekancho to mention, I love you guys. You know, you kept the industry going. The comedians, you know, Madi, the B comedy. It's just so good. Gambella Got Talent, thank you so much for all the support, all the love. Shia Shodun, Shia Paspon. Just go Bianga comedy to say the legend is here. Bana Shodan, Bana Paspon, go Bangara Bengar. Because he's just coming back. So let him have his flowers. Thank you. I wish you all the best. Stay go along to legend God Gambel. Yen Gambela Got Talent. Men, because you put my brother. Because you put. I know, don't tell me the cutting the alten lady. But because the reward, one way or the other, Lord God Gambela. Gambela is a beautiful home. Kande benka Gambela. But changa jogi which take insecurity. I think take a bon metanak a bar. Then anachi bar chanwell on that very week. So you quarter jogi be next time. But for now, so sorry. Again, Pagamo, we plan go then I want to Gambela. But I think we'll be able to do it. But Banajale, Baban Kagambela, all the promoters Kagambela, you can contact my manager, Kwang Yanjur, Wang Boy. He's in Addis Ababa right now. So you are the Jeka. And then let's talk. So I just want to say thank you to everybody, everyone. Thank you so much. Ethiopia, thank you. Bawaka Katikon. Coming home to Nairobi, Kevin Jekona, my brother. Doldial. Van de Ranki. Oh my God. A lot of brothers. I also met one of the longest Wang Dun Kon member, Tabanjak, fire department. I love you, bro. I love you so much. I love you. I met a lot of musicians, Chinewaka, Nakuru. So much beauty. It's, like, I'm just more alive. Tene di dolga togane, Keda Jigulu in Africa, Bikuchu, and all this. I'm like, Mikuiran Malade. But Lara right Malade, but Bikuji Maladi, Tangwani took control, they took the control. Manu Wochi, Dorchila Conguit, and Ramame, Mebeka Africa, and Mumi Bitedi. I told you many years, stay job and Charorata Redan. Charorata Re community dan. I don't need Chariak Chana Gurdi Tiagarian Machar, Iko Bokulite. Chana Gurdi Tiaga Karaka Kasalfaki, Rico Bokulite, we won. Charoda Realika, we won. Katka Reala Yanakabo. Okay, Michingano, Emaguriji. Go need him knock a ronke, one lo. Ni major ben, needing Yerkanga Africa telling. They are not there. Go yagat yam. So, and would move mall, and would quite jog there. That's why I can the talk peacefully. And Toria talk peaceful. Kelly, teleron, Michito. Because Chingan, Ponchan, Chingan. And Wang Dun Kon is built with love. It was never built Kerala. Built Kerala Wang Dun Kon. As well as myself, K Denk. General built Kerala. So, no, Nagana, Kanakana. The energy you gift, the energy you provide, and then be juggle. Treat people the way you want to be treated. So I love people, and people love me. So now I'm going to Lloyd. God move a bull over the moon. The people. So it feels good to return after so long. Music is my thing. I am music. Music is me. And it feels good to be supported by the people that give birth to you. Go along and know real gajika kay chung na ko runating kwa jila dabaken. Ko to right ka man jam to right kia. There right to ko aine. Tele diuno. But right now kia. So my energy now can energy la tetino well is somehow connected in a way K stage, but there's more experience now than I used to. Because Mechoa, Canada, I've been performing alongside so many artists. Bofananika Canada, then perform. American artists, Tiger La Baker, Canada. And then as Drake's bigger perform Toronto, the festivals still our thing. And we perform along. So I watch, I see how they manage the stage. So I have improved on my personalities, my stage personalities, which are mine, Kenyinka. Twara langan, chen twara laram dog, doja lagi chen doi laram dog. So, chen doi, ni got to go like, what can you take nyam? Kajin wood, bro. The good thing, what could nyam not? Kajin wood. So I don't do those. but I'm okay. So I've improved on my energy, comparing my energy now and then before I left. So my energy now with how I felt before I left. So my energy has improved. I have gained so much experience over the years. So I went to during the voice tour Kampala, take a promise, Michalel. And I've been saying the same thing. And if I'm mission support Kadis, Nairobi, Kakakuma, Nakuru, DJs or Fanan, Kampala, I'll support you guys one way or the other. I'll support you guys. Okay? I'll support you guys one way or the other. I'll support you. But you won't get here. So Kampala, after the concert, the voice tour on 27 September, I made a promise to support artists. And then, luckily, there was a young guy. That you're right, no problem. Michelle didn't go to the show is fine. So, but guy roba yorka, then yona guy roba kabo. La quart piers nakel. Guy roba you attach a lot too late because we are only 8 days to the event. So, Tajibilaka poster. But Muguru be can support. Go to the concert, Kia Birka concert, attend it. Then by you will get a chance to perform. This guy, Chale CJ show. Adol Bentiao, Kabul, Bull Cholga, Bull Nori. So he was on stage that day. And then when he had the promise, Janga Jotaga show Luero. Really? I think the show, yeah. I showed Luero. I said, I'm gonna come. And you know, like Luero people, they are very special, by the way. They are very special. Luero people and Buyale, Kesitu, Arua, Nentaka, Ochiakem. These people, they are so real, very real. Need to go along. Every time, Michin a worker, when Kolanetaka tour, Taneka tour Daro, Tila Tatin every year. So I take one voice to the world, La Lelkaja. Then I take Wang Dunkon Empire anniversary, La Wang Dunkon birthday. This year, so Chalel, but Leleje automatic, because Taka tour, Chalel Kakakuma. But because I was on the tour, so I couldn't advertise the anniversary. I just did it Kenyan time at Tagwami. So I went to Luero. And then CJ show Jawa Chow support, Jawa Chong Niam Neneke, because she did Albarar Bajaban support to go and watch him. He's a new artist. I believe he's gonna go places. And then Monica, a Gur Bona artist bo be neka betiu be garu kone wood lane. So Benny and Tongomo, because I the promoter Nya Bully, promoter Nya Bully, one of the greatest men, a great guy, very humble, very down to earth, and very trustworthy. So I met him there. Tajojin, you have to come and support Guru ni CJ show. So it's a ben. Te nyuman Charlie Monica, Cholorode Rupkoni finest. It was a birthday. So it's a Wednesday, I come Mike, I show up Chong. And then it's always got married. Me tell them, we support, go to but kick the bang. Today is my birthday. Then I got up. I told CJ Chok, let's go. So we went, we cut the cake. It was really wonderful. It was really wonderful. They pop the sat into the air. And And then the spark was so, it's like Christmas. It felt like the New Year Eve. It was really special. So happy birthday again, Monica. Thank you so much for giving us that experience. It was wonderful to you. It was also unforgettable for me. I think I've done a lot of birthdays on stage. Take a nail until our birthday, you can go and celebrate on stage. Metaka show. I don't remember the last. It was a long time. But this was really special. It felt like the Wangdun Kon anniversary. Because Milal Wangdun Kon anniversary, la nonge cake, but celebration by light up candles, and then we back a quote, and then back cake, back smoke, and we pop that sparks. And then we now roll, well, Wangdun Kon Empire! And ideal. Wang boys and all this. So it was really special. And then about the fans. Ratio Luero, Chacharo Nyapal and Tongo, the Nyapal Lul, Yamichi Kirk stage, Mike Banan, Kide Dida Kona Nyapal, Jerejig Sweden Jolbo, Jerejig Yakume Dagbo on that stage. It was really special. It was very, very special. It was really, really wonderful. So it's a great comeback. The fans, young welcome along. Now, so since I've been sitting here, so I will be back again tomorrow and next tomorrow, telling you, because I'm home officially. So now that I'm home, I'm going to go to a music video, and more shows. I'm going to go to a link. So it's free times for you guys. Me tell you to go to being a join your life. By allow maybe in just 2 minutes from now. So really kwa kuka. Maybe really nuka then being a quick join, so that you can ask me questions. So me guru being a take then real roka being a take. Me tell me guru be teach about the tour, about every place I've been to. Messages about challenges. Me tell message me guru and be unknown. Case you anything to content or things that you are facing, or goals in kuyan struggle, okay? Chasing these weeks. Whatever you're chasing this week, I promise and obey by question kun bagaloj. Mishia wala bagaloj chang dodian. Wang boys are very special to me. So now I'm gonna allow people to join me. Mete Ramaguro being a join, so just send your request by approve. New songs again, Andrew Biel Nyang, thank you. I will be releasing new music. So Wang boys are very special. Yeah,